Hi, I'm Dax Atwood, an account manager here at Prosperon Networks. Today I would like to invite you to the next installment of our popular webinar series, The Power of SolarWinds Customization. This webinar will be focusing on how to improve the performance of your SolarWinds platform using advanced API integrations. You will learn how to integrate SolarWinds with third-party IT systems. Learn how the capabilities and performance of SolarWinds can be improved using integrations and advanced automations with third-party IT systems and tools. Discover how to design and plan your SolarWinds API integrations using best practices. Understand how to use tooling functions such as process management and triggers that fire webhook API calls, and the use of custom integration scripts and custom applications. Finally, explore how to build and test API integrations and automations using SolarWinds development tools. Explore the SolarWinds Software Development Kit, the SolarWinds Query Language, also known as SWQL, the SWQL Studio, the use of code editors, and how to test API calls with Postman. This webinar will be led by Mark Roberts, our Technical Director and SolarWinds MVP, and with Ejmal Ozdemir, our Senior SolarWinds Engineer. They will be providing some really cool API integration examples and will answer your questions in a live Q&A session. I hope to see you on Friday, the 1st of November. Thank you.